We just got this awesome new heater in. Unboxing the Homecraft Apex is like opening the gateway to reliable, no-fuss sauna heating. Here's what you'll find in the box. The Apex heater body, built for durability, a user-friendly mounting bracket for quick installation, comprehensive setup instructions to get you started right away. The Apex is known for its robust performance and straightforward design, making it a favorite for those who value efficiency and reliability. Whether you're a first-time sauna owner or upgrading your current sauna setup, this heater fits the bill. This is a brand new heater, so we haven't really had too many questions on it as of yet. What we do know is it comes in 10, 12, 15, and 18 kilowatt. With a clean, functional design, the Apex is a no-nonsense solution for anyone looking to heat their sauna quickly and consistently. We've got them available in residential use for 240-volt single-phase, or this is also available in commercial use for 208-volt three-phase. This heater will cover a sauna anywhere between 420 to 1,200 cubic feet. The Apex is a brand new heater that we just started carrying, so we're curious to see what questions you have pertaining to this heater. Please feel free to leave a question in the comment section, and we'd be happy to answer that for you. As always, you can pick up this Homecraft Apex at saunaplace.com, or if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Get the Homecraft Apex today and experience simple, effective sauna heating at its best.